We are a free society, and people are entitled to have different beliefs. And so when you talk about proper business conduct and making money in the right way, where you respectfully treat all the stakeholder groups, a lot of what divides us goes away, and we're building on the common ground, and you're building on what business leaders are best at. Hi, I'm Leo Strine Jr. I am a lawyer. I'm a corporate lawyer at Wachtell Lipton. For many years, I was a judge in Delaware on the Delaware Court of Chancery, and I was Chief Justice of the Delaware Supreme Court. I think that one of the most important things for business leaders to do is to run a business in a high integrity way and where the business is a good citizen. If the communities where you operate are better off because your company is there, you pay taxes, you support the local charities, you respect the environment, and if your customers are better off because the products you sell are high quality, they make their lives better, they're safe, if you do services, they're useful, they're non-fraudulent, that is the biggest contribution you can actually make as a business leader. It's what you control. And you also create respect for the business segment, and you create competition along the right lines. And the third thing is to realize that where you rub up against society is where the law rubs up against you. For all employers, for example, you're going to run into OSHA, you're going to run into the EEOC, you're going to run into the Department of Labor about how you pay your workers and treat them, and that's going to be true abroad. If you're a company that makes pharmaceuticals or food products, you're going to run into the FDA. If you're a company with environmental emissions, you're going to run into the EPA. So if you think about the relationship between your values being how you affect others, and then you think about the law compliance function, and you relate those things and integrate them, you're going to be more effective and efficient as a business leader, and you're going to maximize your business's reputation, because how you ultimately treat your stakeholders is really what's going to be the testimony of whether you're respected in the community.